What's up, everybody? The Germ here, coming to you from my personal game room. It's been a while since we've been down here and done a video. Probably looks slightly different. I changed all the NES games. They're all in alphabetical order now. All my PlayStation 1 games are also in alphabetical order. I put my Game Boy games up here, along with my CIB Virtual Boy games, which aren't very many. And I got all my N64 games over here, as well as all my PlayStation stuff. Once I get a bigger home, I'd like to change all this around and really make this section or a section all Nintendo instead of this mixed bag, and then a PlayStation section as well. But figure I'd show you guys the update down here, and show you guys some of the things that I've changed as well. I got so much cool stuff to display, I just don't have the room. But the reason why I brought you guys down here today is to do an unboxing video. I have two packages here. One from Limited Run Games and one from Super Rare Games out in Europe. And today, with Super Rare, unfortunately, if you've seen this video, it's too late. I think it was December 14th, I believe, 2023. Their mystery boxes for Super Rare Games went live. Limited to 1,000. Last year they sold out, I think it was like 3 minutes. This year they took a little longer. I was actually shocked. They went up at 1 p.m. They sold out by 1:07. 1,000 mystery boxes. I think they were $45.96, something like that, plus shipping. And then there was like another, you get like a foreign transaction fee on your credit card. So they end up coming to over $100 for 2 games. But you get some mystery games, so those are shipping out on the 16th of December. So hopefully we have those by the end of the year and can do another video. And then Limited Run usually does theirs in January, which I don't know if I'll do theirs or not, because I'm kind of pissed off at Limited Run, because as we all know, they kind of suck. So without further ado, let's tear into these boxes, or these two packages. Not much going on here. This one, first one in the padded mailer, is from Limited Run Games, and I believe I know what this is, and I'm actually shocked that I already have this. This actually came fairly quickly. I only ordered this. Usually games that you order from them take forever. This thing took, I think, less than 6 months, which is pretty incredible. And this is the Jurassic Park collection. So this is pretty cool. This is for the Nintendo Switch. This has a whole bunch of Jurassic Park games that you guys might remember or played. From the Game Boy. I don't know if they're all listed here. But it has Jurassic Park Portable, whatever that is. Jurassic Park 8-bit, 16-bit, Jurassic Park Genesis, Jurassic Park Revenge Edition, that's for the Genesis, Jurassic Park 2, it just says Portable, and Jurassic Park 2, The Chaos Continues for 16-bit. So I know the Sega Genesis version's on here. I believe the Super Nintendo version's on here, which was weird, because usually when you buy a game like that, they're the same game. You know, the Genesis, the Super Nintendo, they were the same game. In this case, completely different games. The Super Nintendo one was like a top view. To be honest with you, it kind of sucked. And the Genesis game was sick. You could actually, I think you could play as Dr. Grant or a Raptor. And I never played it on the Game Boy because that's a long time ago. That's like 1993, you know. But I'm actually really excited to get this. I'm so excited that I ordered two. One to open and one to keep. So that's super cool. I'm very excited for that. It's very rare that I get a game that I'm that excited about. But I really enjoyed that, and I actually recently just started playing, within the last couple months, the Super Nintendo version, and I can't absolutely get anywhere in it. The only one you don't want to play, the one, I think the worst Jurassic Park game is, and it's not on there, is the one for the Sega CD. It's like a point-and-click, terrible game. So, yeah, I'm excited to play that. I am going to play that quite a bit. I said I wasn't ordering from them anymore, but when I saw that, I had to order it. Other than that, I've actually haven't ordered anything, so I've done pretty good with not ordering anything from Limited Run, with that exception. I think I'm down to my last 1 or 2 items that I'm waiting for, and I believe the Neo Geo collection is one of them. I don't know if it's like volume 1 or 2 or something like that. I haven't checked in a while. That's pending delivery, not like mailed, but pending, like it's going out soon. So hopefully I'll have that. And this is from Super Rare Games. Now, one of the things I love them because they actually ship really quick, Super Rare Games. But one thing I hate is there's never a surprise because on the label when they send it, all the contents in the box are listed there, so I kind of already know what's in this box. It's not a mystery. But let's open this one up and let's see what's in here, because I actually peeled this off. I've had it for a few days. I figured we order these together, and I got 2 games in here. I actually got 2 of each of them because that's the way Germ does it. All right, I think that is everything that's in here. All right, and this is the first time I got one of these, so I'm going to show you guys this first. So they started recently, they were doing just Nintendo Switch stuff. They recently started doing PlayStation. And this is PlayStation 5. They had some PlayStation 4 stuff, but now they're doing PlayStation 5. This is Super Rare number, I think this is like number 3. So it's only the 3rd PlayStation 5 game that they offered. I believe you can order all these still. I don't think they've sold out. And I only ordered one of them apparently. I also ordered on the PlayStation 5. And here's game number 2. I think game number 1 sold out. Whatever game number 1 was sold out. I think that might have been a short hike, but I'm not positive on that. Post Void for the PS5. You know, I have my PS5. I've had it for over a year. I still have not opened it. This might give me a reason to open it. You know, I also have the Xbox Series X. So I play on that most of the time, or the Switch when I'm, you know, on the go. Then I also ordered... There was only 3,000 of these, and I waited a while for this one because I ordered this with these PlayStation 5 games. They took a while. I ordered a couple more copies of Post Void with it. I ordered them under my daughter's name, so I'd still get them. So these were ordered under my daughter's name, so this way we got them. And now these games were, I think, Post Void was limited to like 3,000 copies on the Switch, I believe it was. So pretty small quantity. So I ordered 2 more of those. I think what I'm going to do is when I go to a convention over the summer, we're going to put those up for sale to get some money back out of this collection. But yeah, small collection today. They give you it looks like a little card. It tells you games out now. Cavern of Dreams. Oops, I just dropped it so you guys won't see that. And it looks like we got some stickers. So Super Rare is actually a really awesome company. So if you guys haven't heard of them, check them out. Every other week they typically release a game, so every 2 weeks, so about 2 games a month. They're just over 100 games. I think they're at 101 Switch games now. I have a little bit over half of them. The first 50, I would say, I missed approximately. I'd like to have a complete set of Super Rare games, but some of those original titles have gotten super expensive. A couple of them are now in the hundreds, like $200 or $300. Which makes it difficult to try to go buy them. You never know, you might get lucky one day, but most people that have the games from Super Rare order them from them and they know what they have. There are a few that I would like to have, like Snake Pass would be a cool one, which looked like an awesome game. Shelter, I think, was the first game. That looked like a fun game. So we get the mystery boxes, and they're going to ship out in 2 days. Some of the games are in there, some of the older games, and unfortunately some of the newer games are in there. So there's a chance I might get Hell's Pie. There's a chance I might get Post Void, games that I already have. I could get Haiku the Robot. Could get games that I have already, but there's also a chance that you could get some super rare games that are not available anymore. So that's what I'm really counting on. I thought last year was going to be the last year that I ordered the mystery boxes, but I decided to do it again this year. But I think this might be the last year I'm going to be able to do it, because depending on what they have left, there's not going to be a point of me doing it, because all the rest of the games I have from, like, I think I'm around number 56 and up, I have. So, you know, to get, if they next year release mystery boxes and it's like number 50 and up, I probably won't order, because the chances of me getting something I don't have are probably very unlikely. I know when these mystery boxes come, 100% I will get stuff I don't need. 100%. And immediately I'm going to sell those games because I just do not need them. But that's what happens. Those are what mystery boxes are about. It makes it fun. So we'll see when those come out, and I'll post a video as soon as I get those. Until then, we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, everybody. See you in the next one.